How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add your WordPress domain or connecting your WordPress site to your Bluehost site. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and we need to get two things out of the way first, and that's you want to make sure that you're logged into both your WordPress account as an administrator as well as your Bluehost account. So this actually enables us to make a transfer over to Bluehost when we're going to host our WordPress site. So all you guys have to do is once you're logged in, is you want to navigate to your Bluehost dashboard like so. And from here, you want to look for the tab that says hosting. So it's normally found on the left-hand side of the screen. So there's websites, cPanel email, domains, and hosting. So from here, you guys want to click on hosting as normal. And right away, you'll see that WordPress integration is actually built into Bluehost's engine. So it's all easy to do. So from here, you'll see that there's an option that says add site. So you guys simply want to click on it. Now, normally, okay, so I actually already have a WordPress site connected to my Bluehost, but normally, here's what the interface would look like. So when you guys go to click on add site, like so, you basically just want to follow the on-screen instructions and fill up the info as needed. So these pertain to the domain name or the URL name for your WordPress site, as well as the name servers and so on. And to show you guys what I mean, here's what it looks like. So here's the Bluehost interface. Click on hosting, click on add sites, and here you have two options, being install WordPress or transfer an existing WordPress site. So either way really works fine. You want to click on continue, enter the site title as well as the domain name like so. So in this case, mine is, what was mine again? It's dragonblade.net.wordpress.comstaging.com. So you normally enter it in this box right here. Actually, wait, it's this one right here, as well as a subdomain or a temporary domain to assign to the site. And click on continue and log into WordPress. And that'd be it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.